Good morning, class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. So, as you know, we are learning block number 13. Remember? Okay, great. So, today we will continue of this block with descriptive story writing. Okay, so first I want to tell you our aim, what we are going to learn today. Today we will be write a story description for pictures for pictures. So please listen very carefully about the description that we are going to learn today, and whatever you are going to write in your notebook workbook, please it should be clear with your handwriting. Okay, so please keep your workbook, notebook and content book with you. Let's start with the keywords, descriptions: see, hear, smell, taste and feel. Okay, these are your keywords, and not now I'm going to give you one instruction. So what you will do, this is what, remember? Yes, the cover page of the story, my first railway journey. Okay, now close your eyes and imagine. Imagine that you are a little boy in the story. Okay. Let me tell you first your question of the day. Remember that story I told you in words also. Who was sitting opposite of the boy in the train? Remember? Someone was sitting there. Okay, so you can see the picture, you will get know. Then who was sitting opposite of the boy in the train? Okay, so then just imagine, close your eyes, and the little boy you are, and sitting inside the train. Where you are sitting? Inside the train. Okay, so now listen carefully. What did you see? When you close and imagine, you can pause the video here and just imagine everything, see, hear, smell, taste everything, and you can take some notes regarding these questions. Okay, what kind of questions are? What did you see? What sound could you hear? What sound could you hear? Write about the sound. In the second topic, were you able to imagine the smell? Were you able to imagine the smell? Did you feel the taste of anything? Did you feel the taste of anything? And how did it make you feel? Okay, so these are the questions you can just imagine and write in points. Okay, and send me in comment section. Okay, no need to write in whole sentences. You can send me just key details or keywords. Okay, in 5 numbers in 5 points, because 5 questions are there and 5 sentences you have. Yes, exactly. So I can share my opinion also, because this is also the wonderful story. I hope you also feel like that if you have travel anytime in train. Okay, so you can just imagine that I can see the beautiful green trees standing by the water and tiny birds sitting on the little stones in the water. Am I right? You are able to see? You are able to hear? Have you imagined like that? I hear the rumble of the train. What? Rumble of the train as it goes over the bridge. I hear I hear the coo coo and the chuk 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 as the train is turning. I smell chai and hot idli passing by. And do you feel sometimes when you travel in train, Italy, because this is about the South Indian food, and when we travel in India, we can smell about chana. Remember chana, laya, this kind of food you can smell that. And that I taste something sweet in my mouth. I taste something sweet in my mouth because mummy lets me eat what I want to train, why I want on the train. I feel excited and lucky that I got a chance to travel by train. I hope you also feel like that. Okay, so you have a paragraph. You can write 5 points in your notebook and send me the key details or key points in comment section. I'll wait. Okay. I want to enjoy what you feel. Okay. So what details did you include in the paragraph? What paragraph? One paragraph, one table you can make. Okay. And you are imagining yourself to be a little boy in the story that I told you before, and write five senses: see, hear, smell, taste, feel. So in comment section, how will you make the table? So just write see, write the word, and hear, write the word, smell, word, taste, and feel the same thing. Write in words, write in key details, and send me. Okay, I'll wait for you. And what details did you include in the paragraph? Which pronouns did we use? So this is the table what I feel, and this is about this activity what we have done, and your table will be different. All right. Okay. So we included the details. We included the details about the five senses. That is, things that we see, hear, feel, smell, and taste. We used pronouns like I, me, we, and us because we are telling the story from the boy's point of view. Got it? Okay, so now one more question is for you. Just listen. How can we make our paragraph more descriptive? What we have discussed earlier. So, how can we make our paragraph more descriptive? Okay, you can pause the video and write your opinion just right. I can wait for you or for a few seconds. Otherwise, you can do. So, we should be sure to use the right nouns, verbs, and adjectives so that the reader is able to understand the details. For example, we might say, I sat. For example, might say, I sat and looked out the train window. I thought the scene was beautiful. This sentence doesn't use very descriptive nouns, verbs, or adjectives to tell us about what we saw. The same picture can be better explained if we say, I sat on the edge of my seat and gazed out the train window. It will more descriptive. This is more descriptive and more effective, you can say. And I saw lush green trees, ponds shining in the sunlight, and birds showing through the clear sky. Through the clear sky. And what a beautiful sight, I thought. Okay. And then one and the hot question is there. How can we organize our description so that they are easier to understand? They are easier to understand. The descriptions must be divided into paragraphs so that it is easy for the reader to understand them. The main character and the setting should be described in the first paragraph. The first paragraph. What is happening in the picture should be explained in the second paragraph. Okay, I hope you understand well, and for the more you can just watch the video once again and complete your work at the time. First, read the picture story, my first railway journey. Complete your S2 descriptive story writing. You have three questions there. Match the description to the picture from the story, my first railway journey. What is happening in which picture? Just match. Okay, picture number 2, picture number 9, and picture number 5. And look at the picture and fill the details in the 5 senses chart. You can see this, you can observe this and see, hear, smell, taste, and feel. Okay, and then third number, write a descriptive paragraph with the details about 5 senses in your notebook. You have your notebook, write S2 block number this, page number 26, and write a short paragraph about this. I hope you understand well, and please complete your work with your good handwriting without any spelling mistakes. Learn before the right spellings. You can search, you can check, then please write. Okay, so thank you. Have a good day.